So guys, back to another video. Today, we're gonna be trying these gummies right here. Just open them. Okay, so everything unpackaged. We have this pizza right here, gummy pizza. We also have these gummy sour fries. We have this gummy hot dog, gummy hamburger, and we have a gummy soda, gummy Coke. Okay. Okay, so we're back with the pizza. Let's try it out.
How too cold for hamburger? Cause I don't like these.
It's pretty good. Too cold for what?
For a hamburger.
Look at that.
I don't like the cold.
Do some trading. So, if you were to judge this,
No.
1 out of 10, what did you give? 1 out of 10, Kylie.
5.
You give it a 5? 10? I'll give it about a 7. So next, try the hot dog right here. Opens up. What it looks like. Got some mustard on the bun. Have some relish right there, some mustard, some ketchup. Let's try it out. Pretty good. Next, try the cola. So, I give it about, it's at 6. Give it a 10. Always give things 10. Alright. Now,
Always give me some 10.
I'm gonna try the cola. Alright. That Coke. Next out, I'm gonna try this cola. This whole part's gummies. This part's not wax. Everything's gummies. Try it out. We'll try that next. Try. Wait. You're supposed to rate the stuff. Ooh, what you give it?
A 2.
A 6? Alright. I give it about 5.
I'll give it a 2.
Okay. Try out the sour gummy fries. The acid looks like salt. Comes in a little package. Here's the individual one. Try it out. Not that sour. It's like a medium. Eat it. I'll give it about, I'll say a 7.
6.
6? Alright. Kylie, what you give it? A 6? Alright.
Ain't the best though.
Next, last but not least, I'm gonna try out,
There's so much sugar.
the gummy hamburger. I know everybody had this as a kid. Don't lie.
The best part was that one.
Lettuce and mustard right there. Got a patty, the bottom bun, top bun. You're supposed to eat like this, but you can separate it. Do that.
That's a patty?
Yeah, I thought it was ketchup too.
No crap, for real. My whole life been a lie. I thought it was ketchup.
This is the best part right here. The lettuce and the mustard. Yeah. Or it's cheese or mustard. I don't know.
No, I think it's cheese.
Yeah, cheese. Cheese and lettuce part. Pretty good. Here's the last but not least, the bun. Okay. Oh, what you give it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
It brings back old memories. Turn back time.
I'll say 10 too. 10 too. Okay, that'll be it for today's video. Bye.